as we are green lighting and holding, this is best nurtured by cultivating a foundation of presence as well. And obviously, this is happening when we're gazing. We are cultivating presence. We are in that field. It's palpable. The definition of holding says we are being in presence with someone or something with heartfelt support for the other as they are. Presence is defined as, in the glossary, as a state often reflected by stillness, timelessness, consciousness, embodiment, interconnectedness, and empathy. So, as you may have realized, presence can be experienced in lots of different ways. Each of you has your own unique way of experiencing it. You may have heard one of the teachers talking about the 3 centers of awakening, the head or consciousness, the heart, or the belly, this embodied consciousness. So let's talk a little bit about that, because I really want us to kind of experience what it is to be in presence from those 3 different aspects. So in the glossary, this can be found under what's called aspects of awakening realization. This means awakening to the infinite, unbounded dimension of our whole being nature may have a variety of flavors, such as infinite expansiveness, associated with the head center or consciousness, interconnectedness, associated with the heart center or love, or an unshakable sense of being, associated with the belly or embodiment. So consciousness can sometimes be noticed as a light sense of lightness, light, clarity, witness, or insight. And some people may describe it as this sense of expansiveness in the head. The heart, a heart awakening is a multidimensional aspect. Experiences here range from raw emotion to divine frequencies of unconditional love, compassion, or bliss. And people notice this often in the area of the chest or heart here. And lastly, being, sometimes experienced as a subtle vibrational energy, an aliveness or ground of existence, which might be noticed in the belly. So these are those 3 areas of awakened realization. And I think truly, each of us has a natural kind of propensity for one of these aspects. I think you're probably all aware of that. You naturally are a person who resides, and so your awakening may be there. And I would say the process of awakening in this work is that you actually nurture those other aspects, right? I mean, some of us may be very aware and awake conscious-wise, but not as strong in mutuality and the heart connection. And so that's an area that we lean in and invite that area to grow in this work, because really all of those aspects are important. And the embodiments, the down work, the fully living, your full radiant being in your body, all 3 aspects really get enlivened and are invited to come forward and to grow in this work.